In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create rule in Outlook to move mails to specific folder. If your inbox feels crowded, a simple rule can automatically sort messages, so the right emails land exactly where you expect them. Saving you clicks and time every day. Start by opening Outlook. Once it's up, locate a message that matches what you want to filter. Maybe it's from a particular sender or it has a specific phrase in the subject. Right-click that message. This is the fastest way to target the kind of email you want to organize. From the menu that appears, select Rules, and then choose Create Rule. This opens a dialog box where you'll tell Outlook what to look for and what to do with it. In the dialog, set your conditions. If you want to capture everything from a person or service, use the From option. If you want to catch a category like invoices or receipts, use Subject Contains and type a keyword or phrase. You can use one or both depending on how precise you need to be. The clearer your condition, the fewer unrelated emails will be moved. Next, tell Outlook where to put those messages. Check Move the item to folder. Then click the Select Folder button. Pick an existing destination or click New to create a fresh folder. Give the folder a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it later. Confirm your choice so Outlook knows exactly where to file matching emails. When you are satisfied with the setup, click OK, and then confirm by clicking Save or OK again to activate the rule. From this point on, new messages that meet your conditions will automatically land in your chosen folder, keeping your inbox cleaner and helping you focus on what matters most. If you want to tidy up messages you've already received, use the option to run this new rule now on messages already in the current folder. This applies the rule immediately to what's currently visible in that folder, moving any matches into your selected destination. It's a quick way to get instant results and see your setup working right away. Just remember, it runs on the current folder only, so it won't affect other folders unless you repeat the process there. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.